It's been raining non-stop in the national capital since morning, not just in Delhi but in the NCR region, and there is a possibility of heavier rains in some part of the Delhi over the next 24 hours. This as Cyclone Tauktae moves inwards and northwards. The Met Department has already issued an orange alert. The Met Department has predicted thunderstorms and heavy rains over the next 24 hours. Cyclone Tauktae has now moved northeast across Rajasthan and towards western Uttar Pradesh after making landfall in Gujarat on Monday evening. The weakened cyclonic circulation will then move towards Uttarakhand, and it may bring heavy rains even in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh over the next 48 hours. The rain did bring down temperature in the national capital to about 23 degrees Celsius. Cyclone Tauktae has impacted weather conditions in several parts of North India. India Today's Kumar Kunal now joins us for more on this. We've seen the damage caused by Cyclone Tauktae in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, but as it travels inwards, is it weakening, or could there be heavier rains, especially in the hilly region, a cause for concern in Uttarakhand and in Himachal Pradesh, Kumar Kunal?
Gaurav, it already has weakened significantly and now it has turned into a depression, and due to that depression which is moving ahead towards north and northwest, that's why this rainfall activity is actually going on in Delhi NCR region, even in the west, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and some parts of Haryana as well. So this activity will continue for next 24 hours, and IMD has warned earlier as well. They have already issued an orange alert. Although there is no wind activity so far in the Delhi NCR, but even a gusty wind of around 40 to 60 kilometers can be expected in time to come. So it is not all over yet. It can produce more rains, and during night there could be some wind activities, some storm and gusty winds can be expected in the area of western Uttar Pradesh, Delhi NCR and Haryana.
Kumar Kunal, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.